Welcome to CloudRevol YouTube channel. I am Sayed from CloudRevol, and today we are excited to show you one of our latest platform feature, WP Toolkit. As the name suggests, the WordPress Toolkit gives you an edge in managing your WP sites and projects more efficiently, safely, and with less manual work. Let's take a quick look at what you can do with it. Let's click on hosting, select your hosting type. For this demo, we are going to cloud server, select your server, and from the feature tabs, click on website, filter out only WordPress projects, and here you can see toolkit. Click on the toolkit. First, we have heartbeat monitoring feature. This allows you to instantly view important details about your WP sites, including core version, installed plugin and their status, installed theme, and which ones are active. Next, we have a safe upgrade of WP. Updating WordPress can sometimes feel risky, especially for production site. With CloudRevol's safe upgrade feature, you can update your WordPress core, plugin, themes with confidence, reducing the chances of breaking your live website. Let's click it and show you how it works. Just click it. It's gonna ask you, are you sure you want to upgrade your project? So I just click yes, upgrade. It will take a minute or two, depend on the size of your website. Let's wait till it's finished upgrading. So it's a very good feature which can help you narrow down a lot of manual or technical stuff. It has been updated successfully. All I have to do is click on refresh. It's gonna refresh the data of your heartbeat. So the next feature we have how to change your WP site URL. All you have to do is click on change, enter the new site, and click on confirmation changes. It will take a minute or two. It will replace automatically your URL from WP1 crconsole.com to WP2 crconsole.com. So this is another great feature which help you change your projects from dev to stage to production. So that's all for today now. I hope you like this video and kindly subscribe our channel, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.